What's up guys, it's Osiris. Welcome to a brand new Acoustica video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at recording and we'll be seeing the different ways we can record audio in Acoustica. Let's get right into this. So first we'll look at recording in a recording session, then we'll take a look at how to record in a multi-track session. So let's go over to edit preferences and let's make sure our audio device is set right. So everything looks good here. I'm just going to close this and let's go over to audio, record, or hit the Ctrl R button. So from here, you can select your sample rate and you can select your number of channels, whether you want to record in mono, stereo, or surround. So let's leave it at stereo and I'm going to click OK. So this brings up the record panel or the record window and you have different options here. So you can add in a label. You can set your recording timer to start immediately or to start after a particular amount of time and stop after Acoustica senses silence or stop after a particular amount of time. So we'll take a look at this later and you can also monitor your recording. Let's select our audio device here. I'm going to select this microphone. Then we can see the levels here. You don't want to hit this red option here. So you don't want to record too loud. So we are in safe levels here. So I'm just going to click on monitor so I can hear myself. So I can hear myself with the monitor button enabled. So we can add in a record label. I'm just going to add in letter A as the label. So what this pre-roll time means is if you have an audio already in your session, you can select a particular amount of time that the audio will play before your recording starts. So we'll leave this disabled for now and we'll start recording. So I'm going to click the recording button and let's see what we can record. Hey guys, welcome to a new Acoustica recording session. And yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm recording right now. I'm recording at safe levels. I've gone 12 seconds. I'm going to add in a new label. I'm going to call this 2 or B. Let's click OK. Then I'm going to pause this recording. Stop. So let's insert this and let's see what we have. So we have our A label here and we have our B label here. So let's listen to our audio recording. Hey guys, welcome to a new Acoustica recording session. And yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm recording right now. I'm going to call this 2 or B. Let's click OK. Then I'm going to pause this recording. So that's the basics of recording in Acoustica. Let's take a look at other options. I'm going to select this part of the audio. I'm just going to select the B part of the audio. I'm going to go to audio, record. Then I'm going to use the pre-roll option this time. I want to hear 5 seconds before I start recording. Then let's see the timer options. Okay, let's use the pre-roll option first before we use the timer option. So I'm going to record now. I'm recording at safe levels. I've gone 12 seconds. I'm going to add in a new. So I can start recording now after the pre-roll has played. So this played the time before my selection and I can stop my recording here and overwrite that particular label. Yes, so this overwrites that selection. So let's listen to this. 12 seconds. I'm going to add in a new. So I can start recording now after the pre-roll has played. So this played the so let's take a look at timer record. I'm going to click the record button again. Then I'm going to select timer. I'm going to make this start immediately and stop after 10 seconds. So let's start our timer record and this starts immediately and this should stop after 10 seconds. So yeah, so that's how the timer record works. And let's insert this and we have our record here. Timer record and this starts immediately and this should stop after 10 seconds. And yeah, guys, that'll be all for this video. That's how you record audio in the Acoustica recording session. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new from this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.